All stainless steel, handmade construction. You can see there, fully adjustable, and it just works well. So a customer asked for a one-off, and this is it. So I'm shooting a video to gauge some interest, to see if anybody out there wants one, and if you guys think it makes a lot of sense, because this machine has a small footprint when you put it on the mobile cart, unlike a typical upright machine that has a big plastic housing and a handle. So instead of bending or kicking the machine out, now you could just go up to it like I show you here, and it's completely mobile. You can pull it out, do your wash, set it up, lock your casters, bring it back in your garage, and you're done. The footprint is still very small. It's not taking up a lot of space. It just makes it a lot easier instead of carrying. Some of you guys are doing the mobile cart option. Some of you guys are doing a permanent wall-mounted solution. It really depends, but you see it there. Send me an email, info@auto-fanatic.com. Go to my web store. Not sure on pricing yet, but they're not going to be cheap because of what goes into doing this by hand. It's a couple hours of labor, plus all the stainless steel, the machining, the welding, the forming. So I wanted to throw the intro of the video just to show you guys a little bit about what goes into doing a lot of the stuff that I do. This is done to a very, very high standard, and it goes with the $1,000 machine, and you guys can see it there. So hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more automotive content. Like I said, if you guys obsessed garage customers that see this, hit Matt up, bug him, let him know if you guys want it, and then maybe I'll do a production run for him like I did with the carts, and we could get the price down cheaper if we could do a production run. So that's it.